Alrighty, that was cheesy, but we gotta figure it out. Can't let them hold this thing. Um, yeah, so we are back, and we are just looking at the charts, looking at some coins, seeing where they're going. Telegraph back up here. You can see what's going on there. For the life of me, I don't know why it wants to just be see-through, but if you take a look here, you can see Dogecoin's behavior going crazy. So we're just reviewing that. Now let's do this thing again. Interact with this, go to the top. Really want to see what's happening with all the coins. We're going to have to take a peek here. So, watch list, currencies, Bitcoin's up here. Dogecoin should not be anywhere near it. Dogecoin has broken the top 10. That in itself is hilarity. I cannot believe that. That is actually a very shocking thing to see. I don't even know what to say to that, but I'm proud of us. I'm proud. I'm proud of the of everyone putting in their part, man. Because honestly, finally there's some rebuttal to what's been going on. Everything's been so crazy. They've really been taking advantage. I believe I turned the chat on now, so if you guys want to say something, say. Finally, the camera stopped messing with me, but it took forever. I'm just gonna sit and we're gonna cruise. Oh, we haven't transitioned. There we go. I was wondering why. I was wondering why it was still showing me doing all the stuff that I've been doing. Let's go to CoinDesk and look at this article. Okay. So right here, this is the CEO of Coinbase. And if you look, Coinbase becomes the first publicly announced traded. This news is not new. To me, at least. I've seen it a few times. Might be new to some of y'all. If it is, I hope it's helpful. You should go over here and take a look at it yourself, read through it. All right, so basically what this article says is leading cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase globally said it intends to become a publicly traded company pursuant to proposed direct listings of Class A common stocks. So it's going to become a stock market. It's applied for some licenses and whatnot. Basically, it'll be able to do what Robinhood just did because it's a decentralized. I mean, because it's a centralized exchange, it's not exactly the safest place for your money. But they do have great rates. They give you free coins sometimes. I can't really knock Coinbase. They're just doing their business role. You need all players in this industry. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a lot of legislation that's been eased on us. So you kind of got to play the game, and they understand that. They've also allowed a lot of people, including myself, to enter the industry um, instead of having to try so hard to go about things the other way. Um, there's a lot of red tape usually that bars us and keeps us from doing things um, so hard to go about things the other way. Okay. Um, there's a lot of red tape. I just wanted to check that it was working. Um, yeah, so I had originally had the OBS open with YouTube, but YouTube just didn't want to cooperate that way, so we've gone about it a different way. I'm going to be sharing the link for the live stream. I'm basically going to be here up until I get tired. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm going to be joining the chat through my app instead of through my computer, just as it's easier and it seems to be giving me less problems. So yeah, that's the way we're going to go about this. Less problems. So if you have any questions or anything, just feel free to ask me here. I will answer questions there. I do not have any problems with that. Now that I can monitor the live stream, see what's going on without slowing down the live stream, I can kind of go through this more diligently and show you exactly what I was trying to show you previously. So this is Wall Street Bets. This is the article that's caused a big issue with everything that's going on. Let me just show you about the discussion board that's going on here. I've done this a couple of times now, but I'll show you again for the people who were not in the room. So these are the guys that really started the movement. They've been the lead of the retail investors for quite a bit now. WSB chairman is the leader of this group, or one of the leaders in the group. He has a Twitter. You can follow him there. They've been having some trouble on Twitter as well, where they've been getting censored heavily in a lot of areas. I'm going to flip this back to the Dogecoin watch. And we will go and see how she's doing. Yep, still on the rise. Hasn't really moved much since we last looked at it. Goes up and down. Sitting at 7 cents though. I joined in at about 3 cents, so I have my hands on a little bag of this. I would encourage you guys to perhaps do the same if you would like. It's really all up to you. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you that this exists. It's what's been popping lately. There is a trend for this to hit $1. Trending on Twitter. Dogecoin has been trending. Elon Musk actually had a tweet speaking about the scenario that was going on. I can show you guys something about that. I'll go to the Elon Musk tweet. I want to take you exactly to the tweet. I don't just want to leave you on the page. Okay, I don't want. This whole movement has the full support of a lot of big financial heads. Mark Cuban even had something to say about it. He said his 11-year-old son even made a little bit of money trading with the guys over on Wall Street Bets, which is more than a little bit funny. Not logged in. Here, let me show you. Looks like you may have removed it. Perhaps not. Yeah, it looks like you may have removed it. Here, I will go to the screenshots of it. Or I'll go to a different article. These guys are even behind the bar. They don't know what's happening right now with it either. It's kind of just a crapshoot. Everybody's just kind of confused. Elon Musk tweets support of Dogecoin after price grows 400. Tweets in support of Dogecoin after price goes up 420%. That is, yeah, that is actually just tonight. So he is still supporting it. He did not delete the tweets. I am misinformed. I just didn't locate it, I guess. But yeah, it has. It's up 800% at this point. I could see it doing it. You'd be surprised what retail investors could do with a little bit of motivation. For the life of me, I can't figure out why this does not want to stop. This whole see-through thing that it's doing. Put this on top of these. Put this on top of these. Yeah, so either way, that's what's going on there. We'll switch back to, oh, here, I can talk about this article. This article is an article that I wrote up about what's going on in the industry. And look through it over here if you would like. This is Coil. Coil is a platform for creators where you can earn cryptocurrency, you know, off of your YouTube videos and articles, blogs. If you look here, you can see all of that. It's a cool place. You log in, sign up. People can tip you in cryptocurrency. You get paid for content. The website. Go back to this page where we go looking through and see what they've been saying lately, just so we can get up to date with how things are going to be moving. TD order auto rejected for price out of range, so this may be a new battle now. Okay, so if you look at this article here, what they're saying is something's going on with TD. yeah, somebody just tried to buy some stocks and they weren't allowed to. You can only sell price out of range for TP sell. They're not even allowing me to do that anymore. Yeah, they won't even let you sell for like low prices. They're not involved in any of it. There's been they've gone as far to sell the GME stock for people who are holding it because the call order is going to come in eventually, and all of these big bulls that have all these holdings in short orders that they've been selling because they really thought that all these companies are going to crash because they know the whole world is closed, that the stock market has to crash. Is they're all getting punished now for betting on the fall, and they're unhappy about it, obviously. But like, what can you do, right? There's also other forums here. I encourage you to look at other forums on this page. Cryptocurrency. It's another page you can look at. They have content here as well. Reddit announces partnership with the Ethereum Foundation. I'm not so sure about that, but you should look into that for sure. Here we go. Check that link out. It's not doing anything. I don't really like it. Oh, there it is. Hello, Ethereum World. Reddit admin. You dropped in here. This here with some exciting news to share today. Reddit has teamed up with the Ethereum Foundation to establish Reddit's first ever blockchain partnership. As Reddit continues to grow with their more than 50 million daily users and hundreds of thousands of communities, the platform has long maintained a decentralized ethos by empowering users to create, govern, and grow their own communities through this partnership. Excuse me. We will be increasing our community's blockchain, uh, accelerate, accelerating scaling and resources for the Ethereum ecosystem, and bring the value and independence of blockchain technology to millions of Redditors. In many ways, the collaboration started. Okay, so basically, they're just giving you a review. You can go in and read this article for yourself. Just giving you a little overview. But yeah, there's plenty of forums. Wall Street Beats is who we are talking about, so you can just type in the top. I'm not in my profile, so you won't be able to see what any of my stuff is. Why this page doesn't want to let us scroll is beyond me. As you can see, I was able to scroll that cryptocurrency page no problem. And then I come here and issues. So this leads you to wonder what's going on. Here's an update on what's happening with the GME. There was a price stop on Robinhood. There's a stock halt on Robinhood where they refused to allow people to buy anymore. Um, there's also been a stop halt on Dogecoin where everyone was pushing their money into. So if you need to get onto a currency platform that will allow you to move your assets as you would like, I suggest trying out something like a decentralized wallet. Dex. Atomic Wallet is it has its problems and its glitches, but it works very well for what it is. Trust Wallet as well. There's some premiums that go along with your orders and your trades, but you know, they're decentralized, so you're gonna get basically what you're willing to put forth in who you are. I myself, I use a plethora of different dexes and different wallets. I use Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. Uh, I use, what else do I have in here? Aton, Crypto.com, Binance, QB Wallet, um, Kraken. It all depends on where I can get my currencies. If you guys want to know more about obtaining different currencies on different exchanges, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll go into a discussion more so about that. Let me continue through this list right here. Yeah, it will not let us scroll this homepage, which is a little annoying. Their Discord was also banned, which is kind of odd, as I don't know, Discord is kind of private conversations that anybody is allowed to have, and I would feel that, that's kind of a large shutter on free speech just to completely take people off. If you look, I can't even, it won't even let me transition to it. That's really funny. Yeah, so they're not really letting you interact with the Wall Street Beats page at all. They're not really feeling you, Wall Street. So then we will go to CoinDesk and we'll look up some more stuff over there. Give you guys some more information about what's happening. We'll go to CoinMarketCap actually, and we'll check on the Dogecoin price. Dogecoin has gone up 800% the last time I checked. So I'm gonna look now again, see where the market has taken her. Whoa. I'm opening too many programs on my computer. Oh, it finally took you to the Discord now that I'm doing something else. But yeah, there you go. You could look at the Discord. It is no longer active. I believe it's been shut down. I wonder how many more companies are going to go about shutting down the little guys and the retail investors. Wow. I think Wall Street just does kind of whatever they want. So, hi, Telegram. Hide me. Show this browser. There we go. Oh, not there we go. Coin market cap. What are you doing? You are? Okay. So here we are on coin market cap. I don't even have to. I don't have to scroll much. I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not even on video right now, but you can see me right here. Let me go to that. Goodbye. Okay. Come on. All right, what is that? So I've been repeatedly clicking Dogecoin. It is up 912%, y'all. Here, let me put this up for you guys so you can see. This is an aggressive run currently. Very, very aggressive. I don't know how much longer this can be kept up, but it's interesting to watch for sure. Definitely an interesting game. If you guys have any questions, you want to know some coins that I think you should have an eye on, I can let you know about that. I'm really bullish about the DeFi industry currently. They've really been showing some stripes, and people have not really been paying attention. So I think it's going to go very well for us this year in regards to that. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just saying. Of course, do your own research. If you do your research into it, you'll see there's amazing yields. There's some things that you can stake, some pools that you can stake into, and you'll make your money back. Uniswap is a good platform. Um, they have their main fork competitor, SushiSwap, who kind of grab their programming. It's open source, so it's all fun and it's all fair, um, as long as you're you know following the rules of the game, which they seem to be. So who can really knock them for doing what they need to do? Okay, here we'll go back to CoinDesk, see if there's some new information. Actually, yeah, let's go to Cointelegraph because we did a little bit of CoinDesk. Cointelegraph's been giving us some issues, but